on, you bicycle barbarian! Make way for the automobiles!
Ooh, do be careful with that one. It'll do wonders on your enemies, but don't overdo it.
Okay, I don't think I have any enemies, but thank you. Maybe that car guy.
Well, there he is, the peddling pansy himself. Thought I'd spin around and do some more hollering at you. I got plenty of abuse for you if you're ready for it. Why don't you share the road with the real wheels, the automobiles, huh?
Orphis, Barcus,
What do you got there?
Curus ad Canum.
Hey, hey! Aspergo, Sangui, Splutteromus.
Hello.
Oh, it looks pretty good. Can I have one lemonade?
Sure. That'll be $1.
Okay, $1.
No.
What do you mean no?
No cash.
It's
Venmo
$1.
or
Just
credit
take it.
card. No. No cash. Do you see the sign? Can you not read? Are you illiterate?
That's more than the fee. It's a single dollar.
What are you gonna do next?
You don't
Write
use
me a
those anymore?
check? You're poor, aren't you? There's a bank over there. Go get a credit card. Go get a credit card. Are you
I'm
poor?
not getting a credit card
Are you
for-
poor? Look at your poor hair and your poor clothes and your old dumb bike. When's the last time you got a new bike? When you're 12? You probably have dial-up internet and a flip phone. Go get a credit card and come back, because you're poor and
You know
you're
what?
short.
You know what? I will be back.
With a credit card. Oh, you're back. Credit card?
I got something better than a credit card. Pecunia omnia circumbi regid. Hey, could I please get a sunrise
could I
wrap?
get 3 bagels and an iced coffee, please? Thanks. Yeah, I totally cut this guy off in line. No, yeah, I can swing that. It's not a problem at all. No, why would it be?
Carne asada, mutato ad carne.
I tried to warn you.
How do I get out of here?
You want to leave? That's fine. All you have to do is read all these boring, strange, uninteresting books no one wants. They're stuck here in this library, just like you.
Five-year-old software manuals? The cat expert? Fanny Flag's all-girls filling station's last reunion?
every prophecy of the Bible?